eat it, and you will be like God, knowing both good and evil. The woman was convinced. She saw that the tree was beautiful. The tree was ano ba talaga yung dapat niyang gawin. So, the Bible clearly warns against adding and subtracting the word of God, no? So, klaro talaga na uh, nire-remind tayo ng word ni Lord, no? Na or nire-remind sa kay Eve, no? Na dinagdagan ni Satan na hindi ba talaga pwedeng kainin yan? Or baka pwede mong i-consider na kainin yung fruit of good and evil. So, there is a danger talaga no? Pag dinagdagan natin yung salita ng Panginoon.